Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you for tuning in to Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that's been developed with the sole purpose of helping you navigate through relationship challenges. Alongside the amazing Coach Alex, Coach Adrian, and Coach Natalie, I welcome you to today's topic. Today, we're going to discuss the importance of becoming the best version of yourself, not only physically, but mentally and emotionally. Let's focus on the visual. We are visual creatures. Our physical appearance is very important. It's the first thing we see in each other. Have you at some point along the line neglected it a bit? Maybe gained a little bit of weight. Maybe your hair is not up to par. Maybe you stopped trying. Men, did you stop, presenting yourself with a trim beard? Do we have a little bit of a belly here or there? Literally, is it more important to get up in the morning and go through a drive-through than to a gym? Think about it. It really starts. We are such visual creatures that when we are in a relationship, it's just so important. And we owe it as a respect to our partners to see us as close to the way that they met us originally. It's just very, very attractive. As far as exercising is concerned, not only can you see it literally in your physique, it also changes your personality. The serotonin level really affects your way of being. You become kinder, you become more seductive. It is so amazing when we start changing our body language. I really feel that it also releases that feel-good hormone. Just try to wake up in the morning and look at yourself in the mirror. No, just don't rush past it. Look at it. Just say, my boyfriend, my husband, my partner, my girlfriend, my anything or everything is outside. Let me present myself in a way that they're happy to be with me, that they feel proud, and that they feel attracted to me. Which leads us also to being attractive mentally. It's very seductive to have a shared perspective of the world with your partner, to feel that the other person thinks at the same level. I mean, to literally have the same interests. Our bodies at the end of the day, somewhere along the line, they do age. But our mind doesn't. That mental attraction that we have with each other is different. It grows, actually. And that is really wonderful when your partner and yourself are on the same wavelength. It's very attractive. And at the end of the day, the more we read, the more we educate ourselves, we tend to just become so much more interesting. Smart is so sexy. And it's just something so wonderful to bring to the table. Finally, let's talk about emotionally. I think that we have a tendency to think that, we love you so much, we need you so much, we have a problem, it's the fighting, the screaming, we make up, we adore each other, we kiss, we make up, all of this. No, we need to literally look at it and say to ourselves, how can we control our emotions? How can we have a stable type of relationship? Drama kills more relationships than you can possibly imagine. Is it to say that you don't all of a sudden do something sporadic, kiss them? No, it's not at all. But you got to tone down the drama. You got to tone down anything that really can escalate in one way or the other. When you are physically, mentally, and emotionally attractive to your ex, you really are in a very, very good place. So please book a session with me. Let me assist you in bringing out these unbelievable qualities that already you have. We all have. We just need to dive deep inside and let us bring it out. I can help you focus on the ones that are truly very important to seduce your ex back. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and put your comments below. Until then, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you.